Today's customers are well-informed and demand instant gratification. For that reason, it has become imperative for most businesses to put their highest value in providing experiences that enable customers to seamlessly connect with your team wherever and whenever they're ready to talk. However, today's tiresome process of filling forms, chatting with useless robots, and waiting multiple days until they can connect with your team is more likely to drive your customers away or to your competition. 11Sight's innovative customer engagement platform provides your team with the fastest way to convert and the shortest path to revenue. With 11Sight, your potential customers can initiate an inbound video call with your team with one click from any online channel. In just one click on a LinkedIn post or a Facebook comment, email marketing from a website, or anywhere on the web. No downloads, no sign-ins, no appointments. That's because 11Sight has reduced your digital identity to a URL. On your end, you can select which team members should answer the call, or 11Sight's call orchestration system can ring multiple team members simultaneously, and much more. Your reps can then answer the call on any browser or device with full end-to-end encryption to give your customers instant, one-on-one video conversations and a personalized and unique experience. If your team needs to bring a specialist to the call, 11Sight also supports one-click three-way calls for faster engagement and improved experience. If more people need to join a meeting, 11Sight's platform can hold up to 20 participants in a browser-based virtual meeting room. Additionally, 11Sight's mobile app ensures a seamless and connected experience on the go, both for your customers and your team. You can also record and get a full transcription of each call and access history, reports, and real-time analytics from our easy-to-use dashboard. And that's not all. 11Sight also provides end-to-end sales acceleration with seamless integration to your favorite sales and marketing tools. Increase qualified lead conversion and close 30% more deals with 11Sight. Visit 11sight.com or call us now at 11sight.com/sales.
Hi, my name is Fatma. With this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot permissions with your devices. 1. Android. When you first download and open 11Sight on your Android device, you will see alerts requesting access to your camera, microphone, and photos. If you don't give 11Sight these permissions, you will see an alert the next time you log in. If you are having trouble making phone calls even though you have given all permissions, go to 11Sight settings on your phone, App Management, App List, 11Sight, click on Storage Usage, Clear Data, Clear Cache. Check the permissions if you are receiving calls from your browser but not your phone. Settings, App Management, go to App List, find the 11Sight, click on Manage Notifications and Allow Notifications. 2. iOS. When you first download and open 11Sight on your iOS device, make sure to allow the app to display notifications, access your photos, microphone and camera. If you give all permissions but still you don't get any notification when you have a call, go to the Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and turn on Background App Refresh for 11Sight. Chrome browser on a computer. You can also manage your Chrome permissions by selecting Settings in the upper right hand corner. Go to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Find the 11Sight and give all permissions there. 4. Safari browser on a computer. You can manage your Safari permissions by going to Safari Preferences. You can manage camera and microphone settings for 11Sight under Websites tab. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Hi everyone, my name is Fatma. In this video, I will explain to you how to disable pre-meeting screen. Go to the e-room settings from the side menu under Organization. Click on the checkbox next to the Disable pre-meeting screen. Check and Enforce will apply these settings to all e-rooms within your organization. If you want to make this selection separately for each room, you can set it optionally by selecting the value box. To make this setting for a specific room, go to Organization, then Meeting Rooms. Click on the edit icon next to the room you wish to disable pre-meeting screen. And save it. You can also do this setting when you enter the room by clicking the Settings, More, and Enable Meeting Screen. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Hi, my name is Fatma. In this video, I will explain to you how to set up custom domain for your video call and meeting room links. Go to your web hosting provider and create a subdomain of your choice and forward it to cname.11sight.com. Go to 11Sight, navigate to Integrations in the side menu under Organization Settings. Enter your subdomain or domain in the box. Don't include HTTP, just write the domain such as call.mydomain.com. Once you enter your domain, select your link type, meeting room or user call link. Select users and rooms. Type the path, which is shown right after your domain with a slash. Don't forget to save it. Now, your CNAME is ready. Let's try it together. call.karabatur.com/Murat is our CNAME. When I click on this link, the call starts directly. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Hi everyone, my name is Fatma. Today I will explain to you how to set up departments and display multiple departments on the 11Sight button. By using call forwarding, you can create departments for your organization, and multiple users receive the calls at the same time. It looks like a direct line button to the end user. The caller first chooses the department, then the call type. 1. Call forwarding with one department. To set call forwarding, navigate to call forwards from the side menu under organization. First, choose the user whose button you want to display on the website from the users list on the left. This user could be named sales, marketing, customer support, etc. On the right side of the page, add the users you wish to receive calls. Don't forget to set the department buttons 24 hours open. If you define off hours or make it unavailable, it will direct all calls to the live and message screen. Now, you can add this departments button to your website. Whenever this line is called, all the users you forwarded the calls receive the call at the same time. First, the one who connects talks to the customer. 2. Super button with more departments. On the super button, you can display more than one department. First, the caller chooses the section, then the call type. All the users receive the call at the same time. To create a super button, go to Organization, then Users. Create a new user and call it Super Button. Click on the super button setting. Click See button styles of that user. Click Edit of the Rollup button or create a new button as Super Button. Under Expandable button, click on the Super Button checkbox. Scroll down and select the call types that would you like to activate. The next step, go to Call Forwards tab in your organization dashboard. Find the Super Button account. Select the accounts that you want to display in your Super Button. Add them on the right side of the page. The names of these accounts will be shown in the Super Button. Now your Super Button is ready to embed. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any question. Hi everyone, my name is Fatma. Today I will explain to you how to customize your profile. Step 1. Navigate to your profile from the side menu or by clicking on your name on the top right corner. Click on Edit Profile. Choose a profile photo, company logo, and the background image. Step 2. As part of the service, we provide a public profile page. To change the default public profile URL, enter your custom address in the profile address box and save at the bottom. URLs are first come first serve. Step 3. Select your company text color in hex format. Your organization's name will be displayed in this color. Step 4. Add an initial welcome message in chat screen. When you accept a chat call, this message will automatically be sent as your first message. Step 5. Verify that your public profile is set up correctly by clicking Profile in the top menu of your dashboard. The public profile page is hosted by 11Sight. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Hi everyone, my name is Fatma. Today I will explain to you how to enable the knocking feature and set up password protection for the meeting rooms. The admin may allow and reject participants using the lobby feature. To enable the lobby feature, follow these steps. Go to your e-room, click on the security option, and click on Enable Lobby. If you want to add a password, type your password here. You can also copy and share the password easily, just by clicking the copy button. Don't forget, the password should be added at the beginning of every meeting. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Hi everyone, my name is Fatma. Today I will explain to you how to display a message to callers when you are not available to answer. The greeting feature lets you show a message to callers according to your availability. This message can be fully customized. Depending on availability, you can show different messages. Navigate to Greetings in the side menu under E-line Settings. Click on Edit for available hours and text your message. Additionally, you can record a video message, upload a video, or add a video from YouTube. Follow the same steps for unavailable hours as well. If you want to add a video as a greeting, click on the video message, then custom video. Upload your video from your computer, or record your own video. You can also add a YouTube video. Click on YouTube video and pass your URL for the video. Now your greeting message is ready. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Hi, my name is Fatma. With this video, you will learn how to edit your button style. Step 1. On the side menu, navigate to Buttons under Align Settings. Here you will see that by default 3 button styles were already created for you. Default Video button. This button directly starts a video call when clicked. Profile button. This is the button displayed on your profile page. Roll Up button. When clicked, this button expands to display 3 different call types by default: video, audio, and chat. You can rename your button in the name field. Only you will be able to see it on your dashboard. You can change the button style. You can choose one of the 5 designs that we offer for your button. You can also change the color of the button here. You can change the position and the button text. Also, you can add an image over the button. You can select the call type and change the text. Click here to add an external link. If you want to learn more about it, please watch how to add an external link tutorial. If you want to track which link, website or campaign generated the incoming call, you can add a tracker. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Hi everyone, my name is Fatma. This video explains the features of the meeting rooms and how to use them. First, screen sharing. Once you click the screen share icon on the bottom left, you will have 3 options to share your screen. Only audio mode. In this mode, you can join meetings with only audio, while all open cameras are turned off. You can continue the meeting, even if your internet connection is poor quality. 3. Chat. You can chat and send a document or photo during the meeting. 4. Transcriptions. You can enable transcription in 48 languages. 5. Invite person. You can invite someone to the meeting by clicking the Invite Person button. You can search your colleague from your organization, or you can send an invitation, share the link, or embed the meeting on a web page. 6. Password protection and the lobby feature. You can add a password for your meeting and add a lobby feature for your meeting rooms, so that nobody can enter your room without admin confirmation. 7. YouTube live streaming and all the other settings. When you click on the 3 dots on the right side, you see all the other settings. You can manage the video quality, you can use picture-in-picture mode, you can start live streaming, recording, and you can share a YouTube video and watch all participants together. You can select a background. By clicking on more settings, you can decide how everyone starts, muted, hidden, or everyone can follow you. You can also enable pre-meeting screen on this tab as well. We hope you find this video useful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.